Have you ever walked away from a conversation thinking, why was that so awkward? I never know what to say. My brain just freezes up. You start believing it's because you are awkward. Maybe you think you are not just that naturally a social guy. But here's the truth. You are not awkward. You are simply missing conversational skills. Skills nobody ever taught you. Once you learn how social conversations actually work, everything changes. You stop freezing, you stop overthinking, you start building real connections fast. And that's how you attract high-value men into your network and high-quality women into your dating life. I'm Julian, founder of onesociallife. I help high-performing men to build elite social circles in less than 1 month and attract high-quality women by using the onesociallife system no matter where they live. If you want my full step-by-step plan to master social skills, build your circle and attract high-quality people, you can get my free guide in the link below. Stay tuned until the end because I will share the one mindset shift that breaks awkwardness forever, no matter how introverted or analytical you are right now. Why you feel awkward? The real reason is that awkwardness is not who you are. Awkwardness is simply a missing skill set. Most of my clients, and maybe you, are logical, a successful man. You crush your career, you are financially stable, you optimize your habits, you're disciplined, but socially, you feel stuck. You feel disconnected in group settings. You don't know how to make conversations flow. That's why so many high-level men DM me saying, hey Julian, I feel great when I walk, but socially I feel like a beginner. And the problem is simple. You have mastered logical systems, but you never train your emotional systems. Socializing isn't a spreadsheet. It's not an equation. It's not about having the perfect topic. It's about understanding emotional calibration, human connection, and conversational flow. When you don't have this skill, you freeze in conversations, you struggle connecting with attractive women, and you stay stuck in surface level networks while high status rooms stay closed for you. Why these skills build elite social circles? Elite men don't invite you into their world because of your IQ. Attractive women don't date you because of your resume. They both want to feel your social calibration, emotional leadership, conversational energy. Social circles, dating, business, they are built on emotional skills. Now, let's break down how you develop this step by step. Step number 1, master emotional calibration first. Before you even open your mouth, 80% of your value is already being read. My client avatar, men like you, often make this mistake. You try to fix awkwardness with words, but awkwardness doesn't start with words. It starts with energy. People, both high status men and attractive women, scan your emotional state instantly. And here's the formula. It's called a non-verbal calibration formula. Calm breathing, ground yourself, physical before entering rooms, shoulders back, open posture, slower pace, own your space. Eye contact, keep it soft and steady. Micro smiles, relaxed, approachable confidence. Still hands, no nervous moving around, okay? Attractive women don't remember your perfect lines. They remember how safe, exciting, and grounded they felt around you. One example of my clients, a 32-year-old software engineer, used to enter networking events holding his phone like a shield. After he worked on nonverbal calibration, he walked in grounded, stood tall, open posture, made relaxed eye contact, and instantly people started approaching him. Women also made eye contact first. High-level men saw him as someone who belonged. Emotional calibration is how you signal value before words. It's step 1 to getting invited into elite rooms and catching the attention of high-quality women. Step number 2, lead with curiosity, not performance. Logical men often try to perform in conversations. What's something interesting I can say? What topic will impress them? Or they think, I hope I don't sound boring. The problem? When you focus on being interesting, you disconnect from the person emotionally. And the fix here is easy. Flip your focus from impressing to exploring. Being curious, because curiosity questions open emotion. Instead of what do you do, ask what part of your work actually excites you. Instead of where are you from, ask where's one place you have traveled that made you feel completely alive. Also, instead of how long have you lived here, ask what surprised you most about living here. You are guiding people into emotional conversations, and for attractive women, this separates you from 99% of men who only run small talk. And for high-level men, it shows emotional intelligence, strong skills, depth, and let's face it, high-status social circles are built by men who make others feel understood, not just impressed. Step number 3, learn playful breaking rapport. Here is where my logical clients have the biggest gap actually. You are too safe. You avoid teasing. You avoid playful tension. You avoid these emotional spikes. But connection, especially attraction, lives inside controlled tension. And there are easy examples to be more playful and breaking rapport, like pattern interrupt, that what it really means. If she says, I love yoga, you just say, of course you do. You totally give off yoga retreat in Bali with green smoothies energy. Being playful. Or if she says, I'm a marketing consultant, and you just, take it from the funny way and, one of those people controlling all my online shopping decisions. Oh, I get it. Playful teasing creates emotional spikes, chemistry, memorable interactions. For women, this builds attraction, comfort, excitement. For high-level men, it shows you are socially calibrated. You handle tension. You are not fragile or weak. And in elite social circles, playful confidence signals status fast. So, step number 4, stack conversational reps to build real confidence. Logical men try to learn social skills by reading, but like business or fitness, you need reps. And my client system is usually as follows. Every day aim for 3 conversational micro reps, small hellos to strangers, quick situational comments, light observation-based questions. Some examples I can give you here. For at the gym, just say something like, hey, this place always gets busy at this time, right? Or at a cafe. Any recommendations? I always get stuck picking the same thing. These reps desensitize your nervous system, normalize social initiation, remove fear of starting conversations. This is how you move from freezing to flow to leading rooms. And how this builds elite social circles and attracts high quality women? Well, emotional calibration allows you to enter any room and feel part of it. Curiosity driven conversations create deep connections fast. Playful teasing builds attraction with women and social confidence with men. These micro reps build your muscle memory to initiate naturally. And this is how my clients build elite circles in new cities fast. Inside these elite circles, high status men respect you. Attractive women see your social proof, and you get pulled into private events, masterminds, and exclusive groups. Your dating life, networking, and opportunities all start compounding. And the switch that breaks awkwardness forever, the ultimate shift. So let's go back to the beginning. Stop trying to be interesting. Start becoming interested. And when you master emotional calibration, lead with curiosity, break rapport playfully, and stack daily reps, you stop fearing conversation. You start enjoying them. And that's when people, high status men and attractive women, gravitate toward you. And the transformation can be so fast. And that's why a lot of people, when they apply these concepts, are actually doing it. We don't go for pickup lines or memorize topics trying to look cool. We focus on calibration, presence, emotional connection, lifestyle positioning. Once you build these skills, ghosting disappears. Awkwardness disappears. Elite rooms open for you everywhere you go. If you want me to personally coach you step by step to eliminate awkwardness, build your elite social circle, and attract high value people, you can book a free call with me using the link below. Inside my program, I work with high performing men who are done with overthinking and ready to master real world social skills that create dating, networking, and lifestyle opportunities effortlessly. Awkwardness doesn't get fixed by forcing confidence. It gets fixed by mastering the system behind elite conversations. Once you apply the system, you stop freezing, you stop overthinking, you attract people naturally, and build an elite lifestyle most men never access. And even if you want to know more about it, make sure to watch my next videos. Also, how to stop getting ghosts, how to start from nothing to build a real social circle. These videos show exactly how to build your social circle from zero and grow your network quickly no matter where you live. So the links are below in the suggested area, and I will see you soon. Take care.